Welcome to this comprehensive review of Asana, a powerful tool designed to help teams manage tasks and projects more effectively. If you're looking for a way to streamline your team's workflow and boost productivity, Asana is one of the most popular platforms for project management. Let's start by taking a look at the home page. Asana's interface is clean, user-friendly, and designed to give you an overview of all your projects. Right when you log in, you're greeted with a dashboard that displays upcoming tasks, projects, and team activities. You can customize this view to suit your needs, whether you're managing a single project or multiple ones at once. Asana offers a variety of features that allow you to track tasks, set deadlines, assign responsibilities, and manage team collaborations. It's flexible enough for small teams, but scalable for larger organizations as well. You can create tasks with due dates, assign them to team members, and even add subtasks for more complex projects. The ability to add attachments, comments, and tags makes it easy to keep all your project-related information in one place. Now, let's dive into Asana's project view. The most popular view is the list view, where tasks are organized in a simple, clean list format. However, if you prefer a visual approach, the board view gives you a Kanban-style layout that's great for tracking tasks as they move through different stages. You can also use the timeline view for a Gantt chart-style layout, which helps you plan projects with specific deadlines. For teams that need more robust reporting, Asana offers powerful reporting tools. You can generate reports on task completion, progress over time, and more. This feature is incredibly useful for project managers who need to track the performance of their team and make data-driven decisions. Many useful links can be found in the description of this video, so make sure to check them out. After watching point one of the things I really appreciate about Asana is its integration with other tools. If your team is already using Slack, Google Drive, or other apps, Asana makes it easy to connect these tools and streamline your workflow even further. The platform also offers automation features, which allow you to set up recurring tasks, reminders, and notifications to keep everyone on track. In terms of pricing, Asana offers several plans, ranging from a free basic version to more advanced paid plans. The free version provides essential features, while the premium and business plans unlock additional capabilities, like reporting, timeline view, and advanced integrations. It's worth noting that Asana's pricing is competitive with other project management tools, making it a good choice for teams of all sizes. To sum up, Asana is a great choice for teams looking to stay organized, collaborate effectively, and streamline their workflows. It's intuitive, feature-rich, and integrates well with other tools you might already be using. If you're looking for a project management platform that adapts to your team's needs, Asana is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tips on productivity tools.